All right, so I'm gonna film around everybody else doing their thing, but we are T-minus 7 days to this client moving in. We are just doing our pre-client walkthrough. So again, part of the Sprucehill process is bringing in our cleaners, getting it thoroughly cleaned a week before we turn it over to the client. We go through, we create our deficiency list, we find all of the problems and issues that are here, at least the stuff that we can find, and we get that addressed before we give the project back to the clients. By doing this, we save literally months of post-construction headache because the product that we're turning over, the home that we're turning over to our clients, is ready to go. We've already gone through and looked for all of the deficiencies ourselves. We're not waiting. At Sprucehill Homes, we don't wait for our clients to bring problems to us. We proactively try to find those problems, solve them, fix them, so that the client never even knows what the problems were. So case in point, we're just behind the camera here. I'll flip it around in a second. There's a little trim detail issue that we're gonna need to get resolved. We just realized that the instant hot water wasn't working properly, so we've remedied that just by doing this walkthrough. Again, like these are like the little problems that would show up for our clients, for you, if you choose to work with us, that we take care of. So when you move in, it's already stressful enough moving. You wanna know that when you're moving back into your home, that everything is working. Now, are we perfect? Do we miss things? Absolutely. But do we bust our humps to make sure that we don't miss things? Absolutely. If you're interested in having quality renovation performed by Sprucehill Homes and our amazing team, reach out. Love to hear from you. So here is that little trim corner detail that we're not liking, so we're gonna need to mud over that and clean that up so the client doesn't have to look at that. Something that I just noticed coming in here is this plug is not sitting flush to the cabinet. So we'll have the electricians address that so that that is sitting plumb or flush, I guess. They did, however, get the screws perfectly straight up and down, which is something that we actually do look for, believe it or not. So here we've got some shelving that got installed at the wrong height, so got that fixed, and that'll be all painted and touched up before the clients move in and have to see it or deal with it themselves. There's that beautiful Innova Air Conditioning unit. What a great product. Let's head upstairs. So again, if you remember previous videos, pretty messy going up here. But you'll see the carpet still in mint condition. So obviously just waiting for the carpet guys to come and properly deal with this transition here. Primary ensuite, nice light fixtures. What a great vanity, tons of counter space. Lots and lots of room. Great tile work, absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.